Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Today's video is going to be all about a new Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is my belated Valentine's Day gift to myself. I'm not going to show you the front because it has all my information on it. So I made this purchase on Sunday night and it arrived Wednesday afternoon. So Louis Vuitton has great shipping. I'm from Canada and I believe this came from the States. So satisfying when you rip this thing off. After you pull that tab off, you just pop this open and it says Louis Vuitton. This is always so exciting. This would be my third Louis Vuitton purchase, second online. And then you open it up here and oh my gosh, oh, you guys, I'm so excited. It just comes with these two items here. Within this envelope, it just says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials." And then it tells you where you can go to learn more about taking care of your item. I have my receipt here. This is a piece of paper that tells you about the exchanges and returns. I love the packaging of Louis Vuitton. Everything just feels so nice. You could just feel the texture of this. I'm a designer, so this stuff makes my heart beat a little bit faster than normal when the quality is like, man, gotta love good quality packaging. I am going to unbox this. Oh my god. So I know that this, you could write a message in here, but I decided to keep mine blank when I ordered this. We're just going to take off the ribbon. And you guys, ooh, so it's a drawer box. It's quite stiff. Oh my gosh. So excited. So it comes in a dust bag. Look how cute it is. And it just flaps open like this. Ready, you guys? Are you excited as I am? Okay. Oh, it is beautiful. The dimensions are 11 centimeters by 8.5 by 2 centimeters. I'm just looking on my phone here at my rulers on the other side of the room, so I just decided to look it up for you. It's quite tiny. It's quite beautiful. And it definitely smells like new. And inside, it has the number. It is coated fabric with cowhide leather. It says Louis Vuitton made in France. I know it's very hard to see, but there is red print in here. Date code says SN0199, which means that it came from France, was made in the 9th week of the 2019 year, which is quite exciting because this is the first one that I've gotten from France. I'm not sure where my key clay is from, but anyways, I know that my Speedy is from the States, so this is quite interesting that it is from France. The plastic covering the hardware for the zipper. It says Louis Vuitton. It's very sturdy when you open it. No issues whatsoever with the zipping. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the middle one. You can fit 7 cards in here, and then in this area and this area you can either put coins or notes. I will probably have one side for notes and one side for coins. Is the Louis Vuitton Zippy coin purse. Valentine's Day gift to myself. I am happy with it. I will probably do a video later on to see the wear and tear of it, if I still like it, if I would recommend it. I've heard some good things about it, so I'm hoping that this would be a great purchase for me. I got this in the Damier Ebene prints because it matches my Speedy. They did have the one that has the rose ballerine interior, and I was debating really hard on that because pink is one of my all-time favorite colors, and it's so girly, and I don't have anything in the rose ballerine color. But when I was looking at my Speedy, I was thinking, okay, well, the interior of the Speedy is this deep, beautiful, rich red, and in my mind, I know you're not going to see it, but I know that it's not going to match and I figured if this was to go from purse to purse, I would want it to match in one way or another. The rose ballerine doesn't really go with the red, it kind of clashes in my mind, so I just wanted to keep it the original brown color. I'm very excited about this piece. I love Louis Vuitton. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.